Chicken coops by Horizon Structures. With the outstanding variety of chicken coops we offer, there's sure to be one perfect for you. And isn't it good to know that these pre-manufactured coops are not kits? They're delivered fully assembled and ready for same-day use. Spotlight on the Quaker Combination Coop. As you can see, a combination coop is a coop with an attached run. This 6-foot by 10-foot Quaker Combo is perfect for flocks of 10 to 12 hens. Finished with smart side wood siding, stained rustic cedar with black trim, and topped by a burnished slate metal roof, this coop looks at home on any property. Opening windows and vent covered by protective wire mesh allow for ventilation and natural light, while the lockable chicken door provides access to the run for your flock. A lockable side door provides easy entry for you or allows your chickens to free range if you choose. Enjoy simple egg collection with the external, full-width nesting lid supported by a gas prop strut. Inside, you'll find plenty of room with wooden roost bars and 4 nest boxes. The epoxy-coated floor allows for easy maintenance. That's this Quaker Combination Coop, and we'd be glad to make one just for you. Choose your size, colors, siding, roofing, then customize from a wide variety of options and upgrades to best fit your needs. Want to know more? We invite your call or email for more information, or stop by our website at horizonstructures.com. You can see all the models, options, and pricing. You'll also find some in-stock models available for quick shipping. Chicken coops by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary quality, and amazing value.